Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install nerdy-panda Chrome extension. So we go to the nerdy-panda page on Chrome Web Store and we click this button to add to Chrome. So we click on add extension, we're going to get this message, we close it, and then we click on this puzzle icon to pin it to the top so it's always visible. So now it will always be there. Now what we do is we insert the email we used to register in nerdypanda.com. If we haven't registered yet, then we should click here, go to dashboard and register. In this case, I already registered, so I'm going to insert my email and we're ready. So now we can just go to messenger.com. Okay, actually there's also a button here. You can just click here and it brings you to Messenger/Marketplace. And in this case, I don't have any unread messages. So all I need to do is grab a message that I haven't replied to yet and click here and click on Mark as unread. So now it has a blue dot, so it's ready to be replied to. So now I can just click here. I will get a black overlay showing that it's working, as you can see, and I just need to wait. So at the moment it's loading past messages in case there are any unread messages from a few days ago or a few weeks ago, and then it's going to open this message because it has a blue dot, and it's going to answer following the instructions I have inserted in my dashboard. So I said the property is available, so that's what it should reply. As you can see here, we can see what the extension is doing. And there it said, yes, it is available. So that's it. If you have any questions, just send us a message. Thank you.